Good morning, students. Once again, we met to discuss. Today, we are going to discuss about materials and things. Today, we are going to discuss about materials and things. We know well about what are the materials and things. We may observe in our day-to-day life. It is also one of the things. It is also one of the things. It is also one of the things. Okay. So we know well. We may observe in our day-to-day life what is there in our surrounding. What are those materials and things? Can you recognize what are we have? What are we know in our day-to-day life? What we are observing in our day-to-day life? Day-to-day life. What we can observe? What we are observing those materials and things. Can you recall? To understand that, I am going to ask some questions to you. To understand, to recall yourself, I am going to ask some questions to you. We will make a clarification on that. This is the question. Name 5 objects which can be made from wood. What I'm asking you, name 5 objects which can be made from wood. What you can say, what are there in our surroundings which are made from what wood? Can you may observe what a coat, what is there in our surroundings. In your home, generally you may observe in your home, one is a door, and windows, and also chairs, wooden chairs, is it or not? And also what you may tables. Yes, still what are there in your home which is made up of what wood? We can say about a box, box, desk, box, desk. See, what are there in your home? Sticks, of course. What type of sticks are there in your home to make, to use as a rolling, to make as a bread or roti chapati? Okay, and also what are there, and also different type of wooden sticks. What we are using in utensils, we are using in utensils means kitchenware. For the purpose of kitchenware, we may utilize those. See there, what I'm asking to you, we have to know what are there in our surroundings. We have to know what are there in our surroundings. Understand what I'm talking to you? What are there in your surroundings that we have to understand. Then one more we will ask to you. One more question. Actually, wood coming from where? Plants or trees. Okay, we are using dried wood to make the furniture, which are useful in our day-to-day life. Let's we ask some question. One more question. See there, book and tumbler and chair and toy and next shoes and still what are there in your home? Okay, see, compare those and materials. I'm going to write glass, glass, wood, paper, leather, and plastic. See here, what I'm giving to you. See, observe. This is a question. This is what I'm giving to you. Question to you to compare. What I am written on board, those are correct or not. Means what I given objects to you. We have to compare those suitable materials. Means the objects which are prepared from water made from this particular material. Let's compare whether we are recognizing or not those. Coming to that, what we can and more we can say what utensils, most of utensils. Coming to that book, we know well about notebooks or textbooks, whatever that books are made up of from where. What about the material, glass or otherwise wood or otherwise paper or leather, otherwise plastic? Which are, can you? So which are not? So books are prepared with what? Paper. Books are prepared with the paper. So let's give them the A, B, C, D, E. So books are prepared with what? Paper. So option is C. Is it are you recognizing? Of course, books are prepared from paper. Papers are prepared from where? The wood pulp. Wood pulp from the plant. Wood pulp. What I'm saying to you? Wood pulp. It is a one type of what substance, but it is in this wood pulp consists cellulose. What's that name? Cellulose. That is a part present in wood pulp. It is taking collecting from the plants or trees. Okay, coming to that, so book is prepared from paper, made up of paper. And tumbler. Tumbler means what? Tumbler, generally we may say glass. In your homes, glass are there, no? Glass means not a glass material, I'm saying to you. What are you using to drink something, water or anything. So that's glass. Generally, glass are made up of stainless steel. Stainless steel. Stainless steel. Okay. Tumbler means it is also acts as a glass, but the glass means the material which is made up of what is glass. The glass made up of glass material. The glass made up of glass material. Or understand? Glass made up of glass material. You know, no? Glass are there. Glass are there. Is there not to drink with glass material or glass? Is it or not? So the generally in Telugu what you can gazu glass, you can say gazu glass. Is it such a like? So tumbler is made up of what? Glass. So answer is A. And a chair. Chair is made up of what? Chair is made up of what, man? Can you recognize what type of chairs are there in your home? Most of chairs, of course, we know well about chairs are made up of what? Wood, and also most of what? Plastic. Most of plastic. Is it? So we'll go with the chair with two options. Where those wood and plastic here and here. So we can go with the two options. What are those? E and B. With wood and plastic. Is it or not? And coming to the toy. Toy is made up of what? Toys are made up of what, man? Generally, toys are made up of plastic. Generally, toys are made up of toys means what which you are using to play. Okay, children are using to play. Those toys are made up of plastic. Okay, and shoes. Shoes are made up of what? Shoes made up of leather. It is one of the substance. What is that? Leather. So utensils most of made up of stainless steel. Most of utensils are kitchenware made up of what? Stainless steel. So by this understanding, what we can say, we may understand what are the things are there in our surroundings and what are that we can recognize. Then we'll talk one more question to you. See here. Which thing can or which material can float on a water? Which things can sink in a water? What I'm saying to you, float and sink. Which material can float? Which material can sink? So what you know some about things we'll write water, wood. Otherwise we'll write direct things names. What are those? The things made from particular material. Understand? So coming to that, what we can say from here, suppose piece of paper, and nail, and nail. And next, what we can say, wooden, small wooden sheet, and safety pin, and still what you can say. Okay, tell me. By taking some more piece of brick, otherwise rocks, pebbles, rocks. Okay, so observe these by dropping in water, by placing in a water, by taking water in a bowl. If you drop each and everything by individual, one after one, what you may observe? So which will sink, which will float, you may observe. Which will sink, suppose if you drop paper on the surface of water, it will sink or float. Is it then float, sink means what? Float means so the substance or thing which can stay at surface of the water. The thing which can stay at surface of the water, not moving to down. Sink means the substance or thing which can move downwards. Can move downwards, never stay the top of the surface of water. So by that, paper can float on the water. Paper can float on the water. Is it or not? Paper, yes, it can float. So paper can float. And when you're dropping iron nail into that, when you're dropping iron nail, then what about when you're dropping iron nail? It will move to downwards into the water. So that's why it will sink. And a small wooden sheet or wooden block I'm dropping into that. So we may observe by dropping wooden block, what we can observe? It will float. So we can say it is a float. Safety pin. What about and pebble? See that why we want to discuss such a which is sink, which is float, and what are the things are made up of which material. So because we have to know what are there in the surroundings by what it is made up of, That's why you have to learn about which type of materials are there. Means what are the material, what are the things are made up of a particular. So those we have to know about. So let's discuss an example. What is the example? You are there at inside the hall, means in your home. You are there inside home by studying. Okay. So suddenly we may heard a loud sound came from kitchen. Kitchen. We know well about kitchen. A loud sound came from a kitchen. So when loud sound came from kitchen, you went to see in that kitchen what happened in that, why that loud sound came. You know well about our kitchen. What are the things are there in that? Are those things how it is made up of, by what material it is made up of? What we are talking here, things are made up of made from materials. Then which thing can made up of a particular material? What is the thing? Then it is prepared by what? A particular material. Coming to that, when you observed in your kitchen, so what you observed was there was a cat went from the kitchen to out. It went to out from the kitchen. What we are observing here, why the sound came? Because of when it is moving from the kitchen to out, so what happened? It given fall to the so many things to the floor. So sound came by falling of the things on the floor, falling of the things on the floor. Do you understand what I am talking here? So when things fallen on the ground, what happened? We got a sound. Means in this situation we have to observe. We have to observe which thing is broken. Which thing is broken? Which thing is not broken? Which thing is broken? Which thing is not broken? Imagine your kitchen. Which thing can break? Which thing cannot break? So let's we discuss. So stainless steel. The things which are made up of material, stainless steel. Stainless steel. What are those by this material which can place glass to drink, which are helping to drink, plates to help to eat, and spoons. Okay, some of the utensils means kitchenware. See there. So the things which are not broken. The things which are not broken, those most are made up of what? Stainless steel. Stainless steel. So which can break? It is not breaking. Which can break? Which can the materials which are the things which are made up of clay. Which are made up of clay means mud, clay, pots, cooking vessels, which is there. In our olden days, we used clay pots. What we used? Clay pots, which are made up of from clay. The material water, clay. And also, which can the things which are made from glass material. Glass material. The things which are made up of the material glass, those can easily break. What are there? Tumblers. What are there? Tumblers. And tumbler cup. Otherwise, what you can observe, glass bottles. Glass bottles are showcase items. What are there? Which is made up of glass material. And ceramic. Ceramic material means the things which are made up of ceramic means singani. The material, the things which are made up of ceramic material. Ceramic material, cups, ceramic plates, cups to drink tea or coffee, and the plates. Okay, what are we have in your home? What the things which are made from ceramic, those can easily break. See there, and the things which are made from wood, they never break. They never break. So which are breaking, which are not breaking? Do you have an idea? The things which are made up of from a particular material, which can break, which cannot break. Which can break, we are recognizing those things which are made up of clay, glass, ceramic. Okay, those are not stainless steel, wood. Stainless steel wood means the things which are made from stainless steel and wood, those not breaking, and those are breaking the things which are made from glass material, plain material, ceramic material. Understand? And also what we can say, the things which are made from what is plastic, the things which are made from plastic material. The things which are made from plastic material, there's also never break. There is a chances to break. There is a chances to break. A few chances are there to break. There are few chances when it will break. The some things which are made from plastic, when it will break, suppose if it is any filled with the plastic things, the things which are made from plastic material, if it filled with any, if it falls from a particular height, if it falls from a particular height, suppose you know well about when you are filling water into that pot, what you are using plastic pot, by falling from our shoulder to the down, from our head to the down, it will break. Where there is a weight present in the thing which is made from plastic material, it gives a chance to break. If it fall empty plastic thing, it never breaks. Understand? And still what are there in your home to prepare? Okay? And your toothbrushes, it is made from nylon. And sanitary things, those are made of rayon. Okay? Okay, like we can discuss the different what are there. Okay, you understood now what are the things are made up of in your home, and those which can break, which cannot break, which can break, which cannot break. Okay, and coming to that, we'll discuss. I'm giving some objects, those by what material it will prepare. I'm giving objects to you, means things. What I'm giving to you, things. Can you recognize those things made from what material? That you have to say to me. One is the dough. Already we discussed that. And another one is the towel. And another one, what are there in that I'm saying? Bicycle. And another one, knife. And then mirror. And shoe. Already we discussed this. And then water bottle. And pot. So these are the things I'm giving to you. These made up from what? These made from what? So what material? Means these things made from what material? That we have to say. Okay. What are those? Suppose door. Door is made from, we know well about, main is a wood. Main is what? Wood. Whole of the door is made from wood material. What we are writing here? Material. What we are writing? Material. It is made from wood. And also what we are using for door, we have to remember how the door, whole door is a wood, made from wood. And also we are using water, which is making glass. So that is made from stainless steel. Stainless steel. And also we are using rubber. Or we are using rubber. Okay. Understand? And coming to the towel. Towel is made up of what? Towel is made up of what is that? Cloth. What is that? Cloth. Generally, cloth is made from fibers. What? Fibers. Okay. Then otherwise, see here. If I had a problem, fibers. Okay. And also with dye. What? Dye. Colors. Okay. Bicycle. Bicycle is made up of main water, stainless steel. Stainless steel. Bicycle. Cycle. We observe most of water, stainless steel. And your seat is a leather. Your seat made up of leather. And still what are there to that? And rubber. Rubber. At the ends of the wheels, mudguard consists. Mudguard consists of those. And the handles also consist of rubber and plastic. Okay. knife made up of, which is you are using to cut it. That is a stainless steel. Stainless steel. Stainless steel. Okay, generally we have iron scale. Generally, I say iron scale. Iron scale. That is a stainless steel scale. Stainless steel scale. Okay. See, but that stainless steel consists of what? Iron frame or wooden frame. Iron frame or wooden frame. Iron frame means which are holding to support frame. That is or wooden frame. Wooden frame. Otherwise, plastic frame. What is there? Plastic frame. See there. There is a chances, whatever, anyone, and mirror made up of silica. It is present in stand with aluminum. And coming to the shoe, we already discussed about that leather and the water bottles. Water bottles are two types of there. Of course, most of them are prepared with plastic. Okay, on the parts, plastic is there, and also water, what? Clay material, plastic material also is there. And fish tanks are there, glass material, fish tanks, aquarium, glass materials are there. Okay, such like in our day-to-day life, we may know well about when you are playing cricket or any games, what are the things we are using. Those are made up of what material? Bat with water, wood, bat with wood, ball, rubber. If it is plastic, and plastic bat, plastic ball, rubber ball, temper ball, you are saying, temper ball, rubber ball. Okay, bat, wood, sticks, wicket, wood. Is it or not? Such a like different are there, particular different. Okay. And in your home, coolers are there. For cooler, we are using some grass. Generally, we are saying grass, but the grass is made from wood with some chemicals. With some chemicals. Okay. Such a like different materials. Understand? Then coming to that. So now we discussed the things which is made from what material we discussed. Then I will say, I will write some materials, then what you may make things. Before I written, we learned from up to this, what happened up to now, we discussed I given things to you, those things we prepared from, made from what material. You learn. Then now I will write material, then what things we can prepare. Okay? I will write materials to you. So I'm writing materials. Then we have to preparation of things. Preparation things. Okay, things we have to write. What we have to write? Things. Let's write those things. Means materials. Metal. First I'm going to write metal. Metal is a material. And second thing I'm writing plastic. And third one, glass. Material name I am giving to you. And fourth one, wood. And fifth one, we can say cotton. And sixth one, leather. And seventh one, ceramic. And the next, rock. These are the materials, some of the materials I am giving to you. Materials, what I am giving materials to you? What are the materials? Metal, plastic, glass, wood, cotton, leather, ceramic, rock. These are the materials I am giving to you. What I am giving to you? Materials. Then what things we can make? What things? What are the things made from these particular materials? Can you recognize in your home or in your surroundings where you observed a particular thing made from this particular? Is it or not? Okay, coming to that, I will discuss some of examples to that. Very few examples, two or three for each material. Remaining, you have to think to write. You have to think and observe your surroundings in your home. Which things we can prepare by using this material. I will talk to you two or three for each material. I will say to you two or three things from each for each material. So we have to collect remaining things. How many? At least 10. At least 10. Okay, coming to that. Metal. Metals are different, or the metals are generally hard. Metals are generally hard. It is a good, hard means strong, hard means strong. And it is a good conductor of electricity and it is a good conductor of electricity and heat. Good conductors of electricity and heat. Okay, see there, the metals where we are using to prepare generally utensils, where we are using generally utensils, I am saying to you. Utensils. Okay, utensils means where kitchenware. There is no chance to write spoon, plate, mug, what something. I am saying whole are in that only utensils. This is made up of stainless steel. Okay, and one more. What tools? What I am saying to you? Tools. Tools. Tools means the screwdriver, swanners, whatever bolts, okay, tools. And the next, mission parts. What you can say? Mission parts. Missionary parts. Okay. So otherwise, if you are feeling uncomfortable to that, I will say what are prepared with metal, iron shades, iron shades, iron quartz, iron quartz, and grill work. Grill work. Where you are using grill work, you may be observe into your windows and your gate, entrance gate. Katanjanam, what you are saying, Katanjanam is a high metal frame in front of your home. Okay, such a like we may utilize. Then where you may, in your schools, your playgrounds, where you are using. Okay, those we have to identify ladder, to climb to the walls of buildings. Okay, whatever. Those are example I'm saying to you, things made from metal. Okay, we have to recall, remind, understand. Then one more, plastic. This is finished. Okay, now I'm going with the plastic. So plastic, what are there? Chairs are there, plastic chairs are there, plastic tables are there, and plastic where you are using, tell me, where you are using most of pipes, watering pipes, and what are outer bodies of televisions or ACs, whatever. Okay, different are there. We are using for outer bodies of the devices, outer bodies of the devices. And where you may observe plastic? Tell me, where you may observe your surroundings, where what type of things we are using to prepare by using plastic material. And coming to that, next I'm going to talk about what? Glass. By what? Glass. It is a material which we can prepare generally. Most of what the best example we have there, mirrors, then tumblers, and window frames, window pans. We are using a window panes, frames. See, where we are using most of, we can still observe that. And next, wooden. What about next? Wood. Of course, we know well about where we are using wood. Wood is essential in our life. We are preparing most of chairs, pots, okay, and also we are preparing desks, okay, and also we can prepare boards also there with wood, and also we may utilize for what wood we are using for in our day-to-day life. What? Tell me, tables, is it or not? Doors. See, wherever in your home, most of dining table, like, see how like you are using wood in our home. Examples are those. And coming to that cotton, we are preparing cloths. What we are preparing? Cloths. And we are preparing by using, we are using cotton. What the cotton threads and cotton rollers to clean the wounds, to tie the wounds. Okay, hospitals we are using the cotton rollers. Okay, and most of their advantages are cotton. And the leather we are preparing shoes, shoes, belt, and the leather materials we are preparing most of. Is it or not? And the next ceramic, ceramic, pingani. So they are preparing plates, cups, pans, lids, whatever utensils are there. Different type of bowls made up of ceramic in our home. Is it on rock? We are most of using rock for statues. Statues means idols. To prepare idols. To prepare what? Idols, statues. In Telugu, what? Vigrahal. Okay. And also in our home to grind, we are using stones. Is it or not? And to construct to construction purpose, we are using rock. To construct the buildings, to construct the bridges, to construct the canals, whatever. Rocks are helping. So by different materials, we are preparing different type of things. So we have an idea about what things are prepared from what material. Means which thing is prepared from which material. So different things are made from different type of material. But whole thing, whole materials are essential in our day-to-day life. Is it or not? Every material we are using in our day-to-day life. Is it or not? Of course. Because of the things which are made from those particular materials, those things are very, means those are what important role in our, those are playing very important role in our life. Those are playing very important crucial role in our life because of, so we are depending on those particular things from wake up onwards to go to bed on to by wake up onwards to bed to sleep. See, from by wake up morning time onwards, by rising our wake up timing onwards to the sleeping time, what happened? We are using different type of things to things made from material. Let's we discuss by wake up time onwards what we are looking to that. First, by wake up, what happened? By wake up, we are going to water. We are going to wear the slippers or shoe, whatever. So those are made, slippers are made up of rubber or plastic. Otherwise, shoes are leather and rubber. Socks, cotton. Okay, see there. And then after washing our face with water, then you are going to take a brush which is made up of nylon material. And also after we are going to eat or cleaning our face or after taking bath, due to the going to by taking bath we are going with the plastic and iron buckets or plastic buckets or mugs, okay, to fill the water. And also caps are made up of plastic and iron. Cans are made up of plastic. Is it or not? And after to go for eat, we are using ceramic plates or plastic plates or iron plates, spoons, what type of materials we are using, and dressing ourselves, clothes. Okay, so what different type of materials of clothes are there, and also what we are using for bags, books, pens, what we are using things to protect yourself and to play yourself, to study yourself. See, coming to that again to go for sleep, what we are using things. So in our day-to-day life, the things made what playing a crucial role in our life means what we are preparing. Those things are made from which material? Because of we are depends on what very important on things we are depending on those materials because from the materials only we are preparing things. Or understand? I think so. Which materials we are, which material produces things, which things are made from material. What are the things are there? Those prepared from what materials? So now we have an idea on that our lesson materials and things, physics are not, of course, we can. Okay. Then coming to that, properties of materials. What we have to learn? Properties of materials. Properties of materials. What is the properties of materials? Materials are three types are there. Materials are three types are there. What are those three types? Okay, transparent. One is a transparent. Another one is a opaque. And the next translucent, 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 transparent, opaque, translucent. Those are the what are types of materials. What I'm saying to you, types of materials are these properties of the materials. Types of materials are properties of the materials. Okay. See there. Now we are talking about properties of the materials. What we are talking about? Properties of the materials. So what are the properties of materials? Means what I'm saying to you, transparent and opaque, translucent, translucent, translucent. So how it is made a very crucial role. See, coming to that, we may observe, suppose if you go to the any shop, any kirana shop such like, okay, when you are going to there, we may observe most of the shopkeeper using such a particular boxes which are visible to us. What is there inside the vessel? If it is a biscuit or chocolate or otherwise any whatever the things are present in that particular box, it may be easily visible to us. Is it or not? Means they are using two different type of materials of things. One is the glass material things, means glass vessels, glass boxes or plastic boxes. Plastic boxes or glass boxes. Most of the people are using what? Glass boxes. And also if you visit the supermarket, they may arrange whole things in the where much or any flash, any otherwise market ads, otherwise dressing circle, dress circle, or gold shop, jewelry shop. Wherever if you observe, what they are arranging the things, they can visible to easily means they are arranging where at inside the glass materials. Means the things which are prepared from glass, okay, those they are using are plastic materials. Is it or not? Why they are using? Because of we have to attract to that. How like see why it is visible to us? Because of we have to learn to know about that. We have to learn the properties of materials. What are the properties of material? First, we'll go with the transparent. What is that? Transparent material. Transparent material. One of the property what is transparent. Which is the transparent means the material, the substance which allows the light complete through them. The substance which allows light through them. The substance which allows light completely through them. The substance which allows light completely through them. Those materials we are calling transparent materials. Those materials we are calling transparent materials. The substance or materials or things whatever which allows the light through them. Which allows complete light. How much light entering the total light should enter through the body, through the substance, through the material. Those we can call transparent materials. Transparent materials. The material which can allow the light through them Those materials we can call what a transparent materials. What we can call transparent materials. Example, glass. Example is a glass. What we can say example? Glass material. Best example for the transparent, our atmosphere. Our atmosphere. What is there in the surrounding? See, sun delivers the light. There is no obstruct to that. Is it or not? There is no obstruct. So by that what happens? It allows complete light. What is there in our surrounding? We can easily visible. We can easily able to see that. Is it or not? Best example for transparent is what? Our atmosphere. Our atmosphere. So glass, water, inside water, what is there we can able to see. Is it or not? So that's why you can say what a transparent material. Transparent is what I'm saying. The substance which allows light completely through them. Those we can call transparent materials. Then what about opaque? What about opaque? The substance which does not allow the light through them. The substance which does not allow the light through them. Those substances we can call opaque substances or opaque materials. The materials which does not allow the light through them. Wood. So things, door, this board. Okay. So these are not allowing your book. Is it or not? Your wall of your house. Those never allow the light through them to out. Okay. The substances are the materials which does not allow the light through them. Those we can call opaque materials or opaque substances. Then what about translucent? Translucent. When you are using paper, by observing paper, means if you observe light from the bulb or tube light by using paper, we may observe a partial light will send through the paper. A partial light will come to the paper. Is it or not? And also we can observe some of the window glasses will allow a partial light through them. Is it or not? So the materials are the substances which allow partial light. Partial means a few amount, less amount. Few amount means a less amount. The materials are substances which allows partial light. The materials are substances which allows a partial light through them. Those we can call translucent. What we can call translucent. The materials are substances which allows partial light through them. Those we can call translucent substances are materials. Translucent substances are materials. Those what are properties of the material? What are that? One is a transparent material, opaque material, translucent material. Transparent material, opaque material, and translucent material. Understand? So what I'm saying here, transparent means, once again I have to repeat, transparent means the substances are materials which allows complete light through them. Can you remember where you may observe the materials or substances which allows complete light through them? Can you? Best example I said our atmosphere. Okay. Then where you may observe glass, plain glasses, and still where you observe by sending light in our surroundings. Can you? That much only water I said. Okay. Coming to that, opaque means what I said. The substances are materials which does not allow the light through them. Those we call opaque. Substances are opaque materials. I understand. So when you are sending light through the wall, if your friend staying at outside the wall, he is able to look the light, there is no chance. Is it or not? So because of the wall does not allow the light through them. If you place wood in front of the light, are you able to get the light through the wood? There is no chance. If you send the light through the plastic also, there is no chance to get the light through the plastic also. Is it or not? So the substances which does not allow the light through them, those we can call opaque materials or opaque substances. Suppose when you are put on torchlight, when you put on torchlight, We may observe the light enters through the glass which is having a top. Is it or not? That is a transparent. When you are placing the torchlight in on position on your palm, in your hand, we may observe what red color of your hand. Means light allowing through our hand by partially. By partially. So those what we can example for translucent substances. Translucent substances are translucent materials. Means what the materials or substances which allows light partially through them. The substances which allows light partially through them. Those we can call what? Translucent. What we can call translucent materials. These are the example for what? Materials, properties of the materials. What are the properties of materials? Transparent materials, opaque materials, translucent materials. The things which are made from these type of materials, those things also act as these type of properties. These type of properties. The thing which is made from by these particular properties of the materials, those things also visible as a same as the properties of the material because of the things made from these particular type of property of material. That's why what happens, the thing also acts as these particular means the things also having or belongs to the these type of properties means the things which are made from a particular material, the material what type of properties are having, so those things also having same property. Means what I'm saying, suppose wood. Wood is a opaque substance. Means if you prepare from wood any material, anything, table or door or chair or cot, they also never allow the light through them. Is it or not? Of course. So that's why the thing which is prepared by a particular material, that material what is having a particular property, it will get same property of the material. Understand? This is what I'm saying to you, properties of material. Then in next class we'll discuss about states of materials. What I'm saying to you, state. What are the states are there? I'm saying to you, states of materials. We have three type of states of materials. One is the solid state, another one is liquid state and gaseous state. Three states we have to discuss about what states of material. What are those solid state of materials, liquid state of materials, gaseous state of materials. So again, next class what we may discuss about states of material with different examples. What type of things we may prepare in our day-to-day life. Okay. See you in the next class. Have a good day. Stop, sir.